So I'll paste it and open the account. So you can see this account. Hello there, welcome to a tutorial in which I show you how you can connect your FBS account to an MT5 on your PC. So welcome to this tutorial. It is our first tutorial. So after logging into your FBS trader account, this will be your dashboard. Make sure that you are on your dashboard. Just click here to land on your dashboard. Now the next thing you need to do is create an MT5 account. You'll see add a new account somewhere here. If you don't have an account, just tap to add new account. Also, if you have an account, you can just add an account, and then we have open an account. If you don't want a real account, then choose a demo account. Then you can open. They will just set the password and the username for you. So there's nothing that you will set. Just open it, and then you can choose your leverage here and your currency. Now I just stick to this, and I can just choose a leverage that is not risky for me, and then I just open the account, and then I will be fine with that. So this is the account and this is the details. Now the next thing I need to do is go to Google and search MT5 download if you are on your PC. Now this is the link that you will need to open it, and then go to this link, tap on it to download, and then you will download this app. So this is the app. I will open it to install it. So you can see let us install it, and then we open the app. So if you do not see this prompt here, we have another way that you can open it. So I can just open the editor and show you how you can open it. I'll close everything, and then I'll open it. So this is MetaTrader 5 editor, and you can see it here. I just open it, and then you can see it. So here we have it. If I want to open it, we have the tools tab. Just go to it, and then we have trading terminal. So here enter the details that you see. This is the same as the one that you are seeing. So here we have the details of that company. So just copy and paste it there. So just copy and paste it there. So we just go to the next, and then choose this option, then copy paste this and paste it here. I can also paste the password, and I will open the account. So I'll paste it and open the account. So you can see this account, and then I can just go to modify these charts as I start right away. So I can just modify them. Here I will choose properties, then I can change this one to blue, and then this one to red, that way. And then I can change these lines, this to red, and then this to blue also. So that way I can have a better looking candles. I can just change this first one. I just need to save this template. You just right click, and then you can save the templates. You just come here, save the template as your chart. So I can just rename it to chart. That way I just save it, and then I can load it here. Just right click, and then choose first candle, and then go to templates, then load the template. You will choose the chart. That way you have your chart there. So you can just do it the first way. I also have a video which shows you how to use MetaTrader 5 on Deriv. It is just similar to this one. I don't see any difference. And if you don't have an account on FBS, just using the link in the description so that you get these offers. You can see here we have a bonus here. So create using that link, which will give you this bonus and you will start trading right away. So thanks for watching. If you have a question, leave it in the comment section. I will be happy to help you out.